Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Magical Turtle. Now, what's magical in it? The name of the chapter is Magical Turtle. That means till now we were doing only single figure on a screen. Now we will be having a magic of doing multiple figures on one screen. That means if I want to write here 1, then 2, then 3, so I can do it with the help of logo commands, because I can write multiple figures, I can write multiple alphabets, I can draw multiple figures all together now with the help of two new commands. Let's know about these two commands. Before starting these two commands, I will just discuss a simple thing with you. When you write with pencil, suppose you are writing something with pencil, so what you do, you write, suppose I am writing A, so you write like this A, and then you have to write all together. Along with A you want to make another alphabet, so you will write with it only. But when you have completed, suppose you are writing ARER and you want to write the next word after leaving some space, so what you do is you pick up your pen up, pick up your pencil up, and then you leave this space. You do the same way. Now if I am writing I am a good girl, so first I will write I, and for writing M I will leave space in between, and for leaving space in between I will pick up my pencil up, and when I have to write I will shift a little bit of space, and then again I have to write M, so what I will do, I will again write AM, then I have to write I am a good girl, so again I have to leave the space, so I will again pick up the pencil and again leave some space. So what we are doing when we are writing generally in our subjects in the notebook, we are every time picking our pen up and every time keeping the pen down. So these two commands are basically on this concept only, to pick up and put down. When you will be picking your pen up, turtle will not draw on the screen, but turtle will move. Turtle will not draw, no lines will be coming here, but turtle will certainly move on the screen. But when you will be doing it pen down, that is PD, that time turtle will again start drawing it. So let's see it practically. If I write, suppose I write FD40, so it's very simple, like we have done till now. Turtle has moved forward with 40 steps. Now I want to make a dash line, I want to leave a space here, I want to leave some space here, so I will do PU, that is pen up, and PU and PD do not have any numbers with them. Please remember, pen up and pen down, you will not use any number with them. It is just to make your pen in up mode and down mode. When your pen will be in up mode, it will move without drawing, and when your pen will be in down mode, that is pen down, it will be drawing also and moving also. So you are not going to use any number with them. So I'll have done PU here. I want to move now FD40. Now see what will happen. Just check out. Turtle have already gone 40 steps up. You can see here, but it has not drawn anything. That is PU. Now again I want to draw, so I will write PD and I will again write FD40. Turtle will again draw. So when we have to draw some figures which are not connected by line, so we can easily do it by the help of PU and PD. Again I will do PU and again I will write FD40. Then again PD and FD40. Similarly I want to turn RT90 and I want to turn the turtle this side, so FD40. Again I want to leave space, so PU, FD40, again PD, FD40. In the same way you can make multiple figures on the same screen. So let's check out with other figures also.